Today I'll be teaching you how to sign in or log in to Scotiabank. Let us get started. There are two options. First one is you sign in via the web browser or the online banking. Simply go to the web browser and go to Scotiabank Online Banking, and you should be able to see their official site as you can see on the screen. You need to enter your username or Scotiabank card number and enter your password. You can also click sign in to access your account. Option 2. You can also log in via Scotiabank Mobile App. You can download the app on iPhone or iPad from the App Store. For Android, download from Google Play Store. As you can see, you simply open the Scotiabank Mobile App, enter your username or Scotiabank card number, and enter your password. Both methods, if you don't have an account yet, you can simply create one with this option below. For more videos like this, kindly like, subscribe, and don't forget the bell button. See you next time.